Good morning, children. Let me continue lines and angles. In lines and angles, here it is given the sides of AB. So, the sides of AB and AC is produced to E and B respectively. If bisector of BO, you know bisect means it divides the angle into two equal parts. So, the bisector of BO and CO of CBE and BCD meet at O. So, the bisect means it divides this angle into two equal parts. That's why he has given. Then prove that angle BOC is equal to 90 minus half of BAC. It is given. So, you must prove now. So we can say it is given. What is given? A triangle ABC is given and each angle ABC is named as XYZ. So sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. So you know that X plus Y plus Z is equal to 180 degree. Then he has given BO and COR. So let me not write all these things. Let me write what is given. BO and COR, the bisectors of angle CBE and angle BCD. Okay. So bisector of CBE and BCD. So that is nothing but CBO is equal to OBE. Both are same. When you bisect, both are equal, isn't it? So BCD. Then prove that. So you must prove angle BOC is equal to 90 minus half of BAC. 90 minus half of BAC. Then proof. So, in proof, let me consider if a ray stands on a straight line, sum of the adjacent angle is equal to 180 degree. That is the theorem, isn't it? So, if I consider BC is the ray standing on the line AE. So, I can say ABC plus CBE is equal to 180 degree. So, let me consider BC is a ray standing on the line AE. So, it is standing on the line AE. So, if it is standing on the line AE, I can say angle ABC plus angle CBE is equal to 180 degree by theorem. What is ABC? Yes, Y. Y plus CBE is equal to 180 degree. So CBE is 180 minus Y. But I want BOC. So that means I must write in terms of CBO. Then only I can find out BOC according to the question. So it is given, it is the bisector of. Bisector means it divides this into two equal parts, isn't it? So in two equal parts means CBE can be written as 2 times CBO, isn't it? So I can write 2 times CBO. 2 times CBO is equal to 180 minus Y. So angle CBO is equal to 180 minus Y divided by 2. So 90 minus Y by 2. Okay. So why this is? Yes, I can write OB is the bisector of which angle? OB is the bisector of CBE. So CBO is equal to 2 times, I can say CBO. So CBE is nothing but 2 times CBO. So then here it is multiplied. When it comes to this side, it will become division. 180 by 2 is 90 minus y by 2. Okay. Similarly, let me find out the other one. Okay. If again BC is a ray standing on the line AB. If it is standing on the line AB, then you can say BC is a ray. Then you can say ACB plus BCD. ACB plus BCD is equal to 180 degree. If a ray stands on a straight line, sum of the adjacent angle is equal to 180 degree. So what is ACB? ACB is Z. Z plus BCD is 180 degree. So BCD is 180 minus Z. Now, how can I write BCD? I should write in terms of BCO. Then only I can get this triangle, I can find BOC. Isn't it? So for that, BCD can be written in terms of BCO. Because OC is the bisector, it divides the angle into 2 equal parts. So I can write 2 times BCO. So 2 times BCO is equal to 180 minus Z. So BCO is equal to 180 minus Z by 2. Why I have written? Yes, I can write OC is the bisector of angle BCD. Okay. So now, which is equal to 90 minus Z by 2. So let me add this triangle. In triangle BCO, because I want BOC, now I know CBO, BO I know, then I know BCO, I know C. So for these two I can substitute and find the value of BOC. So in triangle BCO or BOC, anything I can write. In triangle BOC, angle CBO plus angle BCO plus angle BOC is equal to, see, if you see here, sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. That is also by theorem. So 180 degree by 2. What is CBO? 90 minus y by 2. What is BCO? 90 minus z by 2. We don't know BOC, which is equal to 180 degree. So, what is 90 plus 90? 180. So, these two is cancelled with this. So, let me transpose BOC is equal to y by 2 plus z by 2. Because both are negative, it will become positive. So, y by 2 plus z by 2. Okay. Now, I want to prove that it is 90 minus half of BAC. So, here consider BAC. So, what is sum of the transpose 180 minus x. Okay. Yes. So that I can write this as, if I take half out, I will get y plus z. Isn't it? So now I can substitute for y plus z. So substituting 4 in 3. So let me write. Substituting 4 in 3. Substituting 4 in 3. What is 4? Y plus z, isn't it? Is equal to 180 minus x. That is 4. What is 3 now? BOC is equal to half of y plus z. That is 3. So let me consider BOC. So angle BOC is equal to half of y plus z. So let me substitute, instead of y plus z, it is 180 minus x. 180 minus x. Okay. So I have substituted now. So what is 180 by 2 minus x by 2? What is 180 by 2? 90. Very good. 90 minus x by 2. So 90 minus half of x. So what is half of x? 90 minus half of, what is x? Tell me. What is x? BAC. Angle BAC. So that's what you have to prove. 90 minus half of BAC. Okay? Understood? Yes. See, it is given x is 64, 62, x, y, z. So the whole thing is 54. And YO and ZO are the bisector of XYZ and XZY respectively of XYZ. Find OZY and OYZ. Okay. So what do you mean by bisector? Yes, it divides the angle into two equal parts. It divides the angle into two equal parts. So what is given? Angle X is given, angle XYZ is given, and YO and ZO are the bisectors. Of angle XYZ and XZY. So YO and ZO are bisect means it divides the angle into two equal parts. To find, you must find angle OZY and angle YOZ. So find the solution first. So here he is asking OZY and YOZ. So he is asking OZY. So in the question it is given X and Y. Can I find Z? Yes, because sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So in triangle XYZ, I can say angle X plus angle Y plus angle Z is nothing but Z. XZY is 180. So this is by angle sum property of the triangle, which is equal to 180 degree. So what is X? X is given as 62 and the whole Y is given as 54 plus XZY is 180 degree. So what is 62 plus 54? What is 62 plus 54? 2 plus 4 is 6. 6 plus 9 is 11. 2 plus 4 is 6. 6 plus 5 is 11. Plus angle XZY is equal to 180. Transpose 116 to the other side. So it will become minus 116. So XZY is equal to 64. Isn't it? 6 plus 4 is 10, 1 carry, 6 plus 1 is 7, 7 plus 1 is 8, 1 is 10. So now you got this whole angle is 64. Now it is given YO and OZ are the bisector of angle Y and Z. So it is given that I can say YO and ZO are bisectors of angle XYZ and XZY. So bisector means it divides into two equal parts. So I can write XYZ as 2 times yes OYZ, because when it bisects it divides into two equal parts. Okay, so XYZ is how much? XYZ, it is given XYZ is 54. So bring to this side, divide by 2. So OYZ is 27 degree. Okay. Similarly, let me find out XZY. Angle XZY. So XZY is nothing but 2 times OZY. 2 times OZY. XZY. Because it's a bisector. What is XZY? Just now we find out that is 64, which is equal to 2 times OZY. So what is OZY? 64. Here 2 is multiplied and comes to this side. the 5? 4. So that is 32 degree. OZY is 32. So find OZY. That is 32. Again he is asking find YOZ. That means you must consider the triangle OXY. Isn't it? You must consider the triangle OYZ. So in triangle OYZ. So in triangle OYZ, let me take the chalkers. So I can write OYZ plus OZY plus YOZ is equal to 180 degree. Again by angle sum property of a triangle. What is OYZ? Yes, substitute 27. OZY is 32 plus YOZ, which you have to find out. So add now. 7 plus 2 is 9. 2 plus 3 is 5. Transpose 59 to that side. 180 minus 59. So YOZ is equal to 10 minus 9 is 1. 7 minus 5 is 2. So YOZ is 121 degree. So in the question he is asking both the angles. So here he is asking OZY and yes, you must tell me. Here he is asking OZY and OZY is 32 degree and YOZ is 121 degree. Okay, understood this? Yes. So let me move on to the next question. So the next question is, here AB is parallel to DE. So these two are parallel lines. Okay. So this is the transversal, you can say. Then BAC is equal to 35, CDE is equal to 53. Find DCE. This you must find. Okay. So what is given? It is given AB is parallel to DE. transversal, what about these two angles? Yes, they are alternate angles. So I can say BAC is equal to angle CAD. BAC is 35 degree. So they are alternate angles. So when the lines are parallel, you can say, and if they are cut by a transversal, alternate angles are equal. So BAC is equal to CED. So they are alternate angles. Now I know CED. This is 35. So in triangle CDE, sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So in triangle CDE, I can say sum of the angle is equal to 180 degree. So DCE plus CDE plus CDE plus CED is equal to 180 degree. Angle sum property of a triangle. Sum of the angles of a triangle CDE is equal to 180 degree. That is DCE plus CDE plus CED. Isn't it? CDE plus CED. Now you substitute. What is CDE? CDE is given as, this you must find out. CDE is given as 53. CED we have find out, that is 35. So DCE plus, add this, what you will get? 88 to 1. So DCE is equal to 180, transpose this, minus 88. So DCE is equal to 80 goes means 100. 100 minus 80 is 9. 2 plus 8 is 10. 1, 9 plus 9 is 8. So DCE is 92. Okay. Hope you have understood this. Let me continue in the next class. I will send the notes, don't worry. Try to understand. If you have any doubt, please call me. Thank you, students.